On a bright and cheerful Saturday morning, Kofi woke to find sunshine pouring through the windows. His little sister, Ama, bounced down the stairs in her polka-dot pajamas, rubbing her sleepy eyes. But something was different today. Right on the kitchen table, sparkling beneath the rays of sunshine, was a mysterious box. It shimmered with golden stars and was tied up with a ribbon as blue as the sky. Ama blinked at the label. Science Adventure Kit, open for fun, it said, glinting. She tapped the edge. Science, she asked in a whisper, peering up at Kofi. Kofi grinned from ear to ear. That means experiments. Let's open it. The moment their fingers undid the ribbon, poof, a little puff of glitter fog appeared and out bounced a cheery voice. Greetings. I'm Professor Pop, your science guide. Get ready to experiment, explore, and play. From somewhere unseen, Professor Pop pulled on his bright purple bow tie and gave them each a knowing wink. Rainbow milk magic was first. Professor Pop placed a bowl of milk on the table, a few drops of colorful food dye, and handed Kofi a cotton swab dipped in washing-up liquid. Touch the surface, he instructed. The second Kofi did, whoosh, the colors spun and danced across the milk in wild whirls. Ama gasped, the colors are alive. Professor Pop giggled. That's because soap chases the fat molecules, making colors zip around. Science is a beautiful magician. Next was the balloon that blows itself up. Vinegar went into a plastic bottle, and a spoonful of baking soda hid inside a balloon. Ready, set, steady, go. Kofi carefully fitted the balloon over the bottle top. FSSSS. The balloon grew round and fat, as if by invisible hands. It's inflating all by itself, squealed Ama. That's carbon dioxide gas, the magic of a fizzy reaction. Professor Pop explained. Vinegar and baking soda love to cause a bubbly mess. Then came magnet mayhem. On the table were shiny paper clips, coins, and a long silver magnet. Kofi moved the magnet above a pile, and tick, tick, the clips leapt up as if they had tiny feet. It's like an ant parade. Ama laughed. Professor Pop puffed out his chest. Magnets use invisible force to pull metal closer. Not everything we can't see is pretend, some is science. Planting a sprout was their gentlest task. They tucked a seed into a small cup of earth, gave it a drink of fresh water, and pressed it near the window. Growing takes time, said Ama, gently patting the soil. Professor Pop nodded. Curiosity and patience grow big ideas, just like seeds. Now, the Ice Rescue Challenge. Professor Pop announced dramatically, dropping a tiny toy dinosaur inside a bowl of ice. Can you free it without breaking the ice? Kofi thought, then fetched the salt. Maybe this will work, he said, sprinkling crystals over the frosty prison. Crackle! The ice melted, and out slipped the dinosaur. Hooray, she's free! Ama cheered, hugging her rescued friend. At last, the experiments were done. Professor Pop beamed. Science isn't just in big, fancy labs, it lives in your kitchen, your garden, and, most importantly, in you. All it takes is a question and the courage to try. Kofi stood tall. Science means never stopping asking why or how. Ama did a twirl. And experimenting, even if it's a bit messy. The professor tipped his hat. The box shimmered gently and faded away, but it left behind a note in curly writing. Keep experimenting. Keep wondering. Science starts with you. From that day onwards, Kofi and Ama were never bored. Armed with questions and a kitchen full of adventure, they became junior scientists, ready to investigate every mystery the world had to offer. And one day, maybe, a new scientist will read this story, open their own adventure kit, and begin the greatest experiment of all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.